Can you imagine living in this brand new house built exclusively using shipping containers? This beautiful house sits next to a similar house also built exclusively using shipping containers to create two amazing modern houses befitting this picturesque streetscape and creating a modern neighborhood built using shipping containers. The houses are built in downtown Gainesville in Georgia to create two beautiful homes that are available as rentals going for approximately $4,000 a month. That's a view of the main deck of the house with an elevated entrance capturing all the picturesque views of the streetscape. It's a closer view of the main entrance door, ushering you into an open plan living space. When you get into the house, the living room is as modern as it comes. We have white painted interiors, well furnished living spaces, and modern appliances everywhere. This is the general view of the lounge area, showing a well furnished lounge space, a dining in the background, and a modern kitchen on one end. This is a closer view of the kitchen with apartment-sized kitchen appliances, modern countertops, under the counter and overhead storage cabinets, plus a separate breakfast counter that can sit two. That's the general view of the U-shaped kitchen. I like the contrast between the black painted under the counter cabinetry vis-a-vis the white overhead cabinets. The task lighting and the big glass window around the sink space creates a well-lit modern kitchen space. That's the general view of the lounge area from the kitchen. You'll appreciate the existence of this covered beam showing the middle seam of the two container walls that were cut out to create an open plan living space. The general view of the lounge area showing the couches, the beautiful console, and even the wall-mounted flat-screen TV. I like these nice window screens to cut off excess direct sunlight and also to enhance privacy when needed. This is the general view of the lounge area. I like this staircase in the background that connects to the top level of the house. This is a view of the closet space. I like these sliding barn doors. This is one of the cloak rooms in the house. Beautiful finishes. I like this storage space under the wash hand basin. This is the laundry area with a stacked washer and dryer. This closet space is what you are seeing in the earlier view, that is used to basically close out the utility areas of the house. This is another amazing space, a well knitted home office. I like this furniture and the big glass window. This is a closer view of the dining area with a dining table that can sit up to 4, a beautiful pendant light to enhance task lighting. There's a view of the main bedroom, big bathroom on the extreme end. I like this closet space and the tons of sliding barn doors, this beautiful ceiling fan with a light. The general view of this main bedroom is well lit with tons of natural lighting, modern warm wooden floor finish and white painted interiors, creating an illusion of a large indoor space. You'll appreciate that. You can see the closet space is humongous and the folding sliding barn doors open wide to allow unfettered access. That's a view of the master bathroom. Beautiful space. This is a view of a second bedroom. It's equally big and well furnished, well lit using the big glass windows, wooden finishes and wooden accents almost everywhere you see to create a sense of warmth and modern space. This is a view of the same bedroom showing the closet space and the glass window. This is the general view of the upper deck. This beautiful outdoor space is covered from the elements and it captures all the amazing views of the streetscape and the neighborhood. You will appreciate that view from that particular angle. These additional dining sitting areas. Look at those views and the outdoor furniture. Beautiful, beautiful outdoor space. The views are amazing and they are worth appreciating. You will appreciate the quality of finishes of this amazing house is also top-notch with high levels of workmanship. From that view, you will acknowledge that building a shipping container home can be as interesting and modern like any other conventional build. The amount of time, resources and creativity is all it takes. You'll also appreciate the use of exposed corrugated container walls that have been painted in a shade of a dark color, bringing out and celebrating the industrial charm of building with shipping containers. The landscaping and the outdoor finishes are amazing. Would you live in these amazing shipping container homes? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you love shipping container homes and you'd want to learn more about shipping container homes, especially the 5 hidden costs of shipping container homes nobody tells you about, grab your copy of the best shipping container homes building guide on the market using the link in the description below. This amazing guide is comprising of over 300 pages, structured into 14 detailed chapters covering everything you need to know and understand about shipping containers from inspection, purchase, modification, insulation, finishing, and even it goes ahead to give you free case studies of the best shipping container getaway in the Caribbean, plus a free floor plan of one of the most popular container home designs by Shelter Mode. The reception from our followers and our supporters has been amazing. Thank you for purchasing this amazing guide by downloading your e-copy or your audio copy from our website. You can also get yourself a hard copy on Amazon. For those who have gotten a chance to grab and put their hands on this amazing guide, support the reach of this amazing book by giving us a positive review on Amazon using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers, and by doing so you'll be supporting our channel to reach more viewers. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.